Here to pick up another 100 perch. Hilltop Hatcheries, Corey, PA. Two.
Okay.
Sorry. Oh, you're good. Alright, got 100 perch. So I'm just gonna let them sit in the water for about 20 to 30 minutes to get acclimated. And then I'm gonna put some in this pond and some in the upper pond. All right, these are perch. I have approximately 100. I'm gonna try to put around 50 in each pond. I've let them get acclimated for about 25-30 minutes. And 5 to 7 inch. Oh, that's rough. The light flashes on the front and back. All right, I'm gonna put a second bag of perch in this pond. Here they are, nice looking, about a 6-inch perch. Right up on it.
Oh my gosh, I'm just trying
to All right, fathead minnows. I should have a lot more. This is only 2 pounds. I'm gonna put approximately half in this pond, half in the other. Really need to dump, I don't know, 20 pounds in here, but they reproduce and water's above 55 degrees every 2 weeks. Good bait fish. We need a lot for all the bass. Real close here. Let me know when I dump about half. Where's the hole at?
up here.
Okay. Okay. All right, we're gonna put the rest of the minnows up here in the upper pond. Hopefully they reproduce. I don't know if going into colder climate. This one right there on the leaf. Get down close to them. That one looks like he's dying.
I think I'll probably eat him.
I'll eat them.
What did you do? Cut it.
No.
Why you think?
No. All right, we're gonna release this bag of perch in the upper pond. I've already put perch and crappie in both ponds, but I don't fish them, so I don't know if they're making it. Get close.